Alright guys, my Rocky Lobster came, but I wanted to feature someone or maybe a few people in my unboxing, but everyone's in school right now, so I'm gonna start unboxing it. It's hard to do on camera, because, you know, I have to use the scissors and whatnot to unbox it, so it's kind of hard to do it on camera. They better put the box in here, because they had the box in the photo. So it better have the box with it, because I'm going to be triggered if not. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to be too mad, but I mean, maybe a little. They don't give me the box that they promised me. There we go. Hold on. Okay. Oh, packing peanuts. Shoot, packing peanuts. This is my first package with packing peanuts. Oh my gosh. Oh, yep, they did include the box. There it is. Can't even really get it out of there. All the packing peanuts. Why did they, hold on. Why did they include packing peanuts anyways? I guess Jordan isn't the only one that gets this problem. I've never gotten a package with packing peanuts before. My cat's going nuts over here because I just pulled something out of a box. He's like, hey, did we just get a letter? Stop it. Cat, quit it. He's literally playing with the box right now. The packing peanuts and all. Hold on. Sorry, I'm just spent my whole entire time thinking about packing peanuts, but there you go. Cat, you can have the box if you want it. Okay, it looks like... Oh, yep, he wants the box. Hold on. It looks like they actually found this at a flea market for $4. Cat, stop. That's actually a pretty good find if they found this at a flea market. Uh-oh. Yeah, he sees everything, and he wants to play with it. There you go. Rocky the Singing Lobster, Sea Cruise, and Rock the Boat. Yeah, they didn't fold the flap in. Oh my gosh, it even came with the little plastic cover. That's crazy. And for those of you watching this that I was told to feature in the unboxing, I'm sorry, I couldn't wait. I'm just too excited. There he is, hold on. Rocky the Singing Lobster. I finally have one. I don't know why I never got one before. Oh yeah, that mouth is split. I can't even open it. Tail. Yeah, this is definitely a first gen, which is my favorite variant. Does he work? No, he doesn't have batteries. This cat, I'm gonna need to put the cat outside real quick. Okay, just put batteries in him. Let's try him out. Normal pitch. Oh. Oh boy. Head. Doesn't come up at all. Mouth is split. So I've got some repairs to do. Well, I'm not mad, because it's just like the description said, nothing moves. The tail was moving perfect before, and then it just stopped moving. Just kind of twitches. Rubber legs. Nice. They don't come off. Oh my gosh, yeah, this thing needs some repairs, man. But yeah, we're gonna, I guess I'll start doing that. I don't know if I'm gonna repair him on camera. I might repair him on camera a little bit, but for now I probably won't. But yeah, that concludes the unboxing, I guess, and thank you guys for watching. And bye. Not only does he do nothing anymore, the wire came off for the motor. Like when I lift it up, it'll sometimes move. See? See, the wire's off. The mouth doesn't move at all. It like twitches sometimes, but it doesn't move. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. It's fixed. No, I'm joking. There it is. There it is, right here. This thing is cool, but this skin is cool, but yeah, here's the actual thing, and yeah, that's split for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna get that replaced. Hi guys, Jimmy Gaming back with another video, and we have a few special guests here today.
Mr. Singh.
Yep. And then who else?
I'm a mystery man.
And then we have Jake.
Oh, this is Patrick.
Yep, then we have Jake. We have Jake here too. Yep, Jake the Jimmy Collector. Lane's here, and Mr. Sink. So today what we're going to be reviewing is a new item that I got today, actually. Rocky the Singing Lobster. Now, this thing is much cooler than I thought it would be in person. This thing is actually awesome. But yeah, I'll bring him up here. Got him for about $18 plus shipping, so it was around $30 total. Came with the box, and there's the actual plastic cover that goes over the lobster is in there too. So that's cool. I don't know whether I'm going to be posting the unboxing before or after this video, but he's been fully repaired, because you'll see when I post the unboxing that he did absolutely nothing. Literally, there was a split gear in the mouth, split gear in the body movement, and a wire off in the body movement. So nothing worked. I went in, replaced the gears, soldered back the wire, and here he sits. So, he's saying, as you can see, we'll get to the box first, actually. It says on the box, Rocky the Lobster, and then it says in text at the top, this red-hot shellfish shakes, dances, and sings. That's cool, I guess. Then sings Sea Cruise and Rock the Boat, which it's that version. Yeah, Justin actually got a Do Diddy Diddy version. He got lucky. And then, as you can see, Jemmy, we're looking at you for this. It says, exclusive property of Jemmy Industries, makers of Big Mouth Billy Bass. Yeah, for some reason, Jemmy decides to shout themselves out every time they put an item like this on the market, because they're like, hey, we created Billy Bass, so we want you to buy our products. So yeah, motion activated. It's very cool, honestly. The box is in nice shape. So Rocky himself, let me grab him real quick. He comes out a little bit. Not all Rockies look like this. This is a first gen Rocky, the better built one, and mine is incredibly thick for some reason. I don't know why. He's chubby, the sides of Rocky. Yeah, it's strange, but yeah, it's very cool nonetheless. But yeah, second gen, and it's in incredibly horrible condition. Yeah. Yeah, the second gen ones are the ones with the whistle piece mechs. I wouldn't recommend going for those, because they usually don't last very long. But yeah. Yeah. But yeah, he takes 6-volt DC adapter, but I have him running on batteries. There's the bottom. He doesn't have a stand for some reason. But yeah, I guess that's basically all I have to say about him. So I'm gonna take down the box real quick. So without further ado, we will demonstrate him for you. Oh, wrong song. Yeah, the thing I like most about these Rockies is the way that they move. Like, whenever the tail moves, the head kind of bounces up and down like that. That makes it look really realistic, and I like it like that. So, yeah, I'm gonna play... Yeah, like the mouth actually moves when the head's down, so that's cool. But yeah, we're gonna play the second song now. Yeah, he's very cool. Like, in
Rocky, you're not rocking my boat.
But yeah, this thing is really cool in person. Once you get one, if you want one, I'd definitely recommend this lobster over any of the other ones. This one, I really like this one. So yeah, I guess I'll play Sea Cruise one more time before we conclude this review. Yeah, I mean, I guess there's really nothing more I have to say about it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. You guys have anything to say?
No. Bye, guys.
Lane, what about you?
I like the lobster.
Yes.
Lobby.
Alright, so yeah, I guess that concludes this review over the Gemmy animated Rocky the Singing Lobster. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and peace out.